Ever found yourself gazing at the stars, pondering the question, are we alone in the universe? It's a question that has lingered in the minds of people for centuries. Could there be life beyond Earth? Could there be civilizations in distant galaxies, looking at our planet and asking the same question? This concept, known as extraterrestrial life, refers to life that originates outside of our home planet. It's a topic that has been speculated upon by early Christian writers, philosophers, and now, modern scientists. From simple organisms to advanced civilizations, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Yet, despite all the research and exploration, no conclusive evidence has been found. However, the absence of evidence is not necessarily evidence of absence. This question has sparked countless debates, research, and exploration. But to understand it, we need to delve into the history. The concept of life beyond Earth has intrigued humans for centuries. Imagine a time when the night sky was not just a blanket of stars, but a canvas of questions. As far back as we can trace, humans have pondered the existence of life beyond our planet. Early Christian writers and philosophers speculated about an inhabited cosmos, a universe teeming with life. However, it wasn't until the birth of astrobiology that we began to truly explore these questions. Astrobiology, a field that sits at the intersection of astronomy, biology, and geology, seeks to understand the origin and evolution of life, not just on Earth, but throughout the universe. The 20th century marked a turning point. Our curiosity about the cosmos transformed from philosophical musings to active research. Scientists began to consider the hierarchy of life forms from Earth as a model for potential extraterrestrial life. They pondered the building blocks of life, elements like carbon and oxygen, and how they might exist elsewhere in the universe. The emergence of life on Earth was greatly influenced by the availability of these elements. Scientists speculate that similar planetary systems and organic compounds may have formed in protoplanetary disks, leading to the possibility of life elsewhere. The term Goldilocks zone was coined to describe the circumstellar habitable zone, an area around a star where conditions may be suitable for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. However, being in this zone does not guarantee habitability, as other factors must also align. The adaptability of life on Earth suggests that extraterrestrial life could also thrive in a variety of environments. Yet, the frequency of life and intelligent life in the universe remains uncertain. Hypotheses range from the belief that life is ubiquitous, given the vastness of the universe, to the contrasting rare Earth hypothesis, which suggests that the conditions necessary for life may be rare. The Drake equation, developed by Frank Drake, is one such mathematical model used to estimate the number of communicative civilizations in the universe. It's a probabilistic argument, grounded in our current understanding of the cosmos. From speculation to active research, the study of extraterrestrial life has come a long way. The science of life beyond Earth is complex and fascinating. It involves a multidisciplinary approach, combining elements from astronomy, biology, and geology, all under the umbrella of a field known as astrobiology. To begin with, let's consider the concept of the Goldilocks zone. This is an area around a star where conditions may be suitable for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right, like in the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. However, being in the habitable zone doesn't guarantee habitability. Other factors come into play, such as the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and geological activity. Next, we need to look at the building blocks of life. Here on Earth, life was influenced by the availability of elements necessary for life, such as carbon and oxygen. These elements, combined with water, sunlight, and time, led to the emergence of life as we know it. But could these conditions exist elsewhere? To answer this question, scientists look at the formation of planetary systems and the presence of organic compounds. These may have formed in protoplanetary disks, swirling masses of gas and dust that surround young stars. If these compounds can form under such conditions, it leads to the tantalizing possibility of life beyond Earth. However, life as we know it is adaptable. It has managed to thrive in the most extreme environments on Earth, from the deepest ocean trenches to the driest deserts. This suggests that life on other celestial bodies may also be adaptable, potentially existing in conditions vastly different from our own. The science of life beyond Earth is still in its infancy, and there's so much more to learn. But one thing's for sure, the conditions for life are specific and delicate. But if they exist elsewhere, could life be far behind? Theories and hypotheses about extraterrestrial life abound. Indeed, mankind's curiosity and thirst for knowledge have led to a multitude of ideas and conjectures surrounding life beyond our humble planet. One such theory is the hypothesis of ubiquitous life. This hypothesis posits that, given the vastness of the cosmos, it would be rather improbable for life to exist solely on Earth. The universe is teeming with billions upon billions of galaxies, each housing countless stars and potentially habitable planets. Therefore, it stands to reason that somewhere, among these unfathomable reaches, life in some shape or form has taken root. On the flip side, we have the rare Earth hypothesis, which offers a more sobering perspective. This hypothesis suggests that the conditions necessary for life to flourish may be incredibly rare. It asserts that numerous specific coincidental factors must align for life to emerge and sustain itself. According to this viewpoint, Earth might just be an exceptionally lucky cosmic anomaly, and the existence of extraterrestrial life is not supported by the evidence we currently have. To bridge the gap between these two contrasting theories, we have the Drake equation. This probabilistic argument, developed by Frank Drake, is used to estimate the number of communicative civilizations in the universe. The equation takes into account factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, the number of planets that could potentially support life, and the lifespan of such civilizations. While it doesn't provide a definitive answer, the Drake equation gives us a framework for understanding the variables involved in the quest for extraterrestrial life. These theories and hypotheses, while varied, share a common goal: to unravel the enigma of whether or not we are alone in the universe. They are our best attempts to estimate the possible existence of life beyond Earth. The answer remains elusive, but the search continues, fueled by our innate desire to explore and understand the cosmos that surrounds us. The existence of extraterrestrial life has significant implications, both scientifically and culturally. Just imagine the moment when we confirm the existence of life beyond Earth. It would be a watershed moment, a turning point in human history, and its impact would be profound and far-reaching. On the scientific front, the discovery of extraterrestrial life would revolutionize our understanding of biology. It would force us to rethink what we know about life's origins, its evolution, and its potential diversity. We'd have to expand our biological horizons, accommodating life forms that might not fit into our Earth-centric view of life. It would not only reshape the field of astrobiology, but also have profound implications for other disciplines, such as astronomy, chemistry, and even philosophy. Culturally speaking, the discovery of extraterrestrial life would undoubtedly have a profound impact. Just think about the role of extraterrestrials in our collective imagination. They've been a staple of science fiction, from H.G. Wells's War of the Worlds to the Star Trek and Star Wars franchises. They've been villains, heroes, metaphors, and mysteries. The confirmation of their existence would give an entirely new dimension to these narratives, grounding them in reality. Beyond science and culture, the societal implications would be massive. It would challenge our perceptions of ourselves, our uniqueness, and our place in the universe. Our philosophies, our religions, and our worldviews would all have to grapple with the reality of not being alone in the universe. The discovery could also have practical implications, influencing policies related to space exploration, and even the potential for extraterrestrial contact. The impact of extraterrestrial life on our world would be monumental, influencing every corner of our existence. It would open up new realms of possibility and challenge us in ways we can't even fully anticipate. But one thing is for sure: the discovery of extraterrestrial life would indeed be a game changer, altering our perception of life and our place in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life continues. Driven by curiosity and the quest for knowledge, scientists tirelessly work to uncover the secrets of the universe. The field of astrobiology, dedicated to the study of life beyond our planet, is bustling with activity. Modern science has equipped us with incredible tools and techniques for this quest. We've sent spacecraft to the farthest reaches of our solar system and pointed our telescopes towards distant galaxies. We're not just looking for little green men. We're searching for microbial life, signs of past or present life, and even intelligent civilizations. Every day, we learn more about our universe and its potentially habitable corners. We've discovered exoplanets in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions might be just right for liquid water. We've found complex organic compounds on distant celestial bodies, hinting at the possibility of life. This is not an easy quest. It's a complex puzzle that requires patience, perseverance, and a whole lot of scientific ingenuity. But the potential rewards are unimaginable. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would revolutionize our understanding of our place in the universe. While we may not have definitive answers yet, the journey to find extraterrestrial life promises to be a thrilling adventure. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll finally discover that we are not alone.